guys, my name is James. I actually drive a truck. I'm actually going to be doing a smart camera, Dashcam, unboxing for you. The reason I'm doing an unboxing of a Dashcam is I feel that it's actually very important for drivers in general, any driver, whether it's a car or a semi-driver, having a Dashcam. It's a good idea mostly because in case something does happen and somebody tries to claim it's your fault, even if it is your fault, you still should have proof of whatever incident that might happen. Whether somebody cuts you off and they slam on their brakes, basically doing a brake check on you. Well, I'm going to go and show you the new camera. Okay, so this is the YL, Y1, or YI smart dash camera. I'm not sure exactly which it is, but it's supposed to be a smart dash cam, meaning that it's supposed to be able to connect to a phone. This is the unit. It's pretty nice looking so far. You see the lens, it's got a decent size camera lens and microphone right here. This is the screen. You have the record. You can play back and it looks like photos, and the power on and off, and turning on and off the night or day style. This is the power right here. It's actually highly unusual to see a dash camera with this type. It's the standard micro USB, which normally we see a kind of an offset type micro USB, but that's the power port. There's the reset hole that you just take a pin and throw it in there. Well, you don't throw it in, you press lightly. Here's the micro SD card slot. I believe it can hold up to 64 gigabytes for the micro SD. Here's the connection for the window mount, and of course all the information, and the two speakers right there for the camera. So this is the rest of the power. The books. Apparently you can actually mount it to a drone. Apparently. It's a limited lifetime warranty. Here's one of the books. Let's see what language it is. English on the first page, which is actually not bad, but it wouldn't bother me if it was a different language. And here's some information. It is a YI. I just saw it. It is a YI smart dash cam. Power cable is right here. Let's see. I like just tearing these open. It's fun. And as I said, this is a micro USB. It's not a offset. Well, I like to call it an offset. It might be a different language or a different type. And here is the power plug for the actual camera, which is kind of unusual. This is actually the first one that was in this size I've seen for a dash cam. And here's the, I guess this is the window mount. That's fairly interesting. It's adjustable and it can go around. And this is the YI Smart Dash Cam. If you want to see any of our videos from it, don't forget to follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. We should be able to now share our videos from the road and still video shots from it. And when we pick up the truck, we'll make sure to do a follow-up video with you.